What's up, everybody? Steve here. I got a couple emails from Zillow. This was just basically an email refresher. Hit my email, and basically Zillow sent an email talking about their new rules pertaining to rental properties. Now, yes, Zillow is one of the main search engines that people utilize for finding properties for sale as well as for lease, and now they're taking it one step further to generate more revenue from real estate agents' listings. And now this kind of pisses me off because if it weren't for real estate agents listing our properties into the multiple listing system and allowing that to syndicate into Zillow, Zillow would ultimately have no inventory to promote or market on their website. So now Zillow created what is called Zillow Rental Manager, and I'll read to you what's going on now. So it states the first listing you activate with Zillow Rental Manager is free until it expires. Starting with your second listing, moving forward, it costs $10, $9.99 per week that your property is actively listed for rent. So essentially, if you guys are doing property management and you're listing properties for rent and you have, let's say, 10 properties for rent active listings, if you guys are putting it on Zillow Rental Manager, that's going to cost you guys $100 per week. Now it goes on to say what is included in this listing fee. Your listings will be posted across the most visited online rental network, Zillow, Trulia, and HotPads. All listings, free and paid, receive access to the following tools to help you manage your rental properties, which is online tenant screening, digital lease signing tools, and online rent payments. Look, majority of people or real estate agents who do property management and are leasing properties for other people already have these tools in place through multiple different platforms that they already utilize. So they don't necessarily need these additional resources or tools. Now, another frequently asked question, do I still have to pay to list a property even if I don't use Zillow's tenant screening, rent payments, or lease builder? And it states, except for your first listing, it costs $9.99 per week to list any properties on Zillow Rental Manager, regardless. Our rental management tools, applications, payments, and leases are free to users regardless of whether your properties are actively listed for rent. If you choose not to utilize those offered tools, you still need to pay $9.99 per week for each listing except for the first one. Now it also goes into detail if you guys do have bulk properties, I guess they give some sort of discount. I'm not going to review that, but if you are a real estate agent and you've been in the business for a while, you guys know that Zillow really has been feeding off of real estate agents listing their properties in the multiple listing system that syndicates onto this site as well as several others. And I think it's just one way for Zillow really to gouge real estate agents. If it weren't for the real estate agents syndicating to Zillow, Zillow would have absolutely nothing to promote. Anyway, that's a little bit of me venting on this. I think that there are some pros and cons associated with Zillow. They make a ton of money off of real estate agents already in terms of providing lead generation. And who knows what's going to happen in the future. They're going to start charging us to promote our active properties for purchase on their site as well. Who knows? I mean, based on this, that could very well happen. Anyway, let me know your thoughts below. Let me know if you think this is a good thing or if you think that Zillow is trying to gouge real estate agents. I want to hear your comments on this as well. And I appreciate you guys tuning in, and I appreciate the support. Thanks a lot.